Hello everybody, my name is Kadian and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a unboxing video for you guys. It's a OwlCrate box. So I just got this today and I'm excited to see what it is. Feels kind of heavy too, like a lot of stuff is in there. So let's see what is in this box. So I'll open it up for you guys. That's the inside right there. Alrighty then. So this month's theme for the May box is Comic Explosion. Okay. And it has this card in there. It's a card of two superheroes, well, a superhero and a supervillain fighting. If you can't see that. So, first thing I see inside the box is a pop figure of Wonder Woman, which is super hilarious because I was going to buy a pop figure of Wonder Woman. So next thing in the box is a super cute superhero pen. This camera's not focusing at all. And it has like different colors. Oh, that's cute. Then we have, what is this? Cafe Premium Coffee Candy. So it is coffee. Next inside the box is a candle, an OwlCrate exclusive Wonder Woman Dial Candle Company adorable size candle. Okay. Smells good. Smells like, that smells like candy. It's in a little jar thing. Then we have a pen and a clippy thing. So there's this book in here. It's Afar by Lila Del Duca and Kit Seaton, if I'm saying that correctly. And it's a little comic book, which is cute. I have to say this is my first ever comic book ever. So this should be interesting. And drum roll please. It's not a drum, but close enough. For the book, for the mystery book inside this box. Not looking, not looking. Ta-da! No, okay. So the book inside the box is Eliza and Her Monsters by Francesca Zappia, author of Made You Up. So as usual, there is a letter in here from the author. And maybe I'll read this one. So it says, Eliza and Her Monsters is a love letter. I wrote it for everyone who has ever been obsessed with a book, TV show, or movie. I wrote it for anyone who has come face to face with their inner monsters, and especially I wrote it for an 8-year-old me who was shy and weird, and who loved the story so much she decided to try making one of her own. If you love stories, and I know you do, Eliza and Her Monsters is for you. If you live in a world of fan fiction and fan art, Eliza is for you. If you struggle with your doubts, fears, and insecurities, it is for you. And I hope reading it reminds you that for every sea filled with monsters, there's a sky full of stars. I also got a signed book template from the author, which I'll be sticking in this book right here. But before I wrap this video up, let me read you the book blurb about what this book is about. So, in the real world, Eliza Merck is shy, weird, and friendless. Online, she's Lady Constellation, the anonymous creator of the widely popular web comic Monster Sea. Eliza can't imagine enjoying the real world as much as she loves the online one, and she has no desire to try. Then Wallace Warland, Monstrous Sea's biggest fanfiction writer, transfers to her school. Wallace thinks Eliza is just another fan, and as he draws her out of her shell, she begins to wonder if a life offline might be worthwhile. But when Eliza's secret is accidentally shared with the world, everything she's built, her story, her relationship with Wallace, and even her sanity begins to fall apart. Let's see what the clue for the next month's box will be. Oh wait, there's something else. There's also a picture of a girl, which I'm going to assume is Eliza. So, in next month's box, the theme is Make It Out Alive. You know, the June box. Sounds very dystopian. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see future videos from me. Just also let you guys know I'll be doing a giveaway on my Instagram channel, so follow me on Instagram to see what's going on with that giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again next time when I post a new video. Bye.